Madam President, Excellencies, the UN Charter is very clear. We must maintain international peace and security and uphold international law. As we commemorate this day, we must remember the truth. Nuclear weapons, even if victorious, would leave a barren, broken world, devastating the environment and our life. There is no victory, only victims. States that possess nuclear weapons have greater responsibility. We strongly urge member states to engage in dialogue and genuinely commit to reducing arsenals. Madam President, the truth is, we cannot address the total elimination of nuclear weapons if the global community cannot resolve the current atmosphere of distrust. We must applaud those who have relinquished their nuclear arsenals for global peace and security. Unfortunately, some states now vulnerable and under attack face exploitation. Transparent international safeguards should protect them. All states should collaborate with nuclear-armed states and the IAEA, the International Atomic Energy Agency, to reach a common ground. For over 4 decades, Fiji has contributed peacekeeping troops to United Nations missions, prioritizing global peace and security through the ratification of regional and international nuclear weapons treaties. Madam President, this year, the Pacific Forum leaders endorsed the Ocean of Peace Declaration, recognizing the Blue Pacific's invaluable contribution to peace and global order. Like the Pacific Way, it is owned and shaped by Pacific people, rooted in the fundamental values of mutual respect, sovereignty, territorial integrity, and political independence. The Pacific's dark nuclear history and legacy should neither be overemphasized nor repeated. We reject nuclear competition and embrace the Ocean of Peace Declaration and the peaceful Pacific Way as we commemorate